Good morning students, how are you all? You all are fine, okay. After learning some part of speech in English grammar, then you have to learn how to make sentences. For sentence formation, you have to learn the use of has or have, okay. Today, so your chapter is today use of has and have. These two words has or have are the same meaning, okay. But this is used in its use is different because only of it is a different verb form and it is used in different forms because only of singular or plural nouns. You see children how where we have to use has and where we have to use have. Has. You repeat with me children, see we use has with he, we use has with it, we use has with she and we use has with singular noun, okay. You see some sentences here, some examples are, I am giving some examples here, you see children, examples. He does a red car. You see what we have used here? For he we have to use has. So you have to write here has. He has a red car. She does a pretty face. Is there the word see here? Yes, see. We have to say has is used for see. So you have to use has for see. She has a pretty face. Repeat after me, children. It is very important to repeat after me. He has a red car. She has a pretty face. See here it. We have to use has for it. It does a long tail. See children, it word is here. We have has is also used for it. So we have to use has here. It has a long tail. Sima does two balloons. Is there any word Sima here, children? No, Sima is not here. Sima is a singular noun. How many girls are here? Only one. Sima. Sima is one and Sima is singular. So here you see we are also using for a singular noun has. So we have to use here has. Sima has two balloons. After children, you repeat after me. He has a red car. She has a pretty face. It has a long tail. Sima has two balloons. It is very important, children, to repeat after using fill in the blanks. Then let's to learn how to use have. I, they, we, you, and plural nouns. Plural nouns means positive plus one. That means, you see children, I have, they have, we have, you have. Okay. See some examples here. I dash a cute smile. See children, the word I is here. What we are using for I? Have. We are using have for I. So you have to use have here. I have a cute face. Repeat after me children. I have a cute smile. We dash many books. You see the word we is here? Yes. We use have for we. So fill in the blanks here. We have many books. They dash four kittens. See children, is there any word they here? Yes, they. We are using have for they. So they dash four kittens. What we have to use here? We have to use have here. So repeat after me children. They have four kittens. Now see, you dash a sweet voice. See children, you what is there? Yes, here. What we are using with you? We are using have with you. So fill in the blanks here. You have a sweet voice. Repeat after me children. You have a sweet voice. Rina and Robbie dash a picnic. Rina and Robbie dash a picnic. Is there any word Rina and Robbie here? No, there is no Rina and Robbie here. What are they? They are plural nouns. Here you see there are two persons are here. One is Rina, another is Robbie. They are more than one. Means they are plural nouns. Okay. For plural nouns we are using have. So we have to use have here. Let's fill in the blanks here. Reena and Robbie have a picnic. Children, these are the uses of has or have. Okay, after learning this, after learning this, it will be easy for you to use has and have in your sentence formation. Thanks, children.